Hi, glad you could stop by the Sunbelt Rentals Workshop. Today we're going to go over how to safely use the drill sewer snake. The variable speed electric drill snake clears 1 1/4 inch to 2 1/4 inch diameter drain lines up to 25 feet. It is recommended for sinks, laundry tubs, and small drains. Now, before we jump in, let's review some important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, reinforced leather gloves, protective footwear, and a mask. Always connect to a grounded outlet. Let's take a look at how to use the 25-foot drill sewer snake. To hold the drill snake correctly, place one hand on the pistol grip and the other on the handguard behind the chuck. The trigger switch should remain in the off position until you're ready to begin. To start the motor, squeeze the trigger switch. To stop the motor, release it. You will use the forward switch when feeding the cable into the drain and when removing it. The reverse switch will only be used to free the cable if it gets hung up. Before changing the direction of rotation, make sure the drum comes to a complete stop. When you're ready to begin, open the chuck and pull out approximately 1 foot of cable. Then close the chuck tightly. Slowly feed the cable into the drain until the obstruction is met. Then continue feeding additional cable to clean the rest of the drain. When you are ready to retrieve the cable, remember to use the forward rotation only. It is recommended that you use a continuous flush of water to clean the tool, cable, and sewer line as the cable is retrieved. This will also confirm you have cleared the clog. Well, there you have it. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. Thank you so much for watching, and come back and see us again before your next job or project.